What's happening YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to delete or how to permanently delete your Apple ID account, which in other words is also known as your iCloud account. So basically, if you do have an iPhone, compulsory you need to have an Apple ID account or an iCloud account. And you may be in a situation where you wish to switch from an iPhone to an Android or a Samsung device or anything like that, and it's actually safer for you to delete your account so your data becomes erased or deleted, so you do not risk your data from being accessed or anything like that. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now jumping straight into today's tutorial in here, for example, if you sold your iPhone for somebody, let's say on Facebook Marketplace or anything like that, and you want to get rid of your phone, you need to actually log out your iCloud account from your iPhone device first. Okay, so first things first, we'll quickly log out, and then next up we'll simply delete our iCloud account. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna hop into settings real quick in here, and then you want to tap in here on your iCloud device right at the top, right? So there we go. Next up, we're going to simply scroll down all the way to sign out down here. So you want to tap on sign out, and then you want to remove the iCloud account from this specific device that you wish to sell or anything like that. So once you're done, simply tap in here and then sign out, but don't erase. Okay, so once you're done logging out, you want to hop into Safari, because right now we're going to permanently delete our iCloud account, or in other words, Apple ID account. So in order for us to do that, we simply want to hop into this website. The link is down in the description box below as well, which is known as privacy.apple.com. Okay, let's quickly type it in here. privacy.apple.com, and then we're going to tap on enter. Next up, it's going to ask you whether you want to log in with your main iCloud account, which is already logged in into your device. As you can see in here, I'm going to tap on sign in, yes, Face ID. There we go. I'm now logged in. Now you may be in a situation where it's going to ask you to type in the email and the password. It's normal if you're, for example, accessing this website from a different browser such as Google Chrome, but if you're accessing it from a computer, because you can also perform this on a computer, the process is exactly the same. Now, next up in here, we do have a lot of information in here. We can obtain a copy of your data before you actually delete your Apple ID account by tapping on request a copy of your data, transfer or copy your data, or you can also temporarily deactivate your account instead of deleting it permanently. Okay, so that may be a solution at some point, but if it's not, you can definitely go straight into deletion of your account. Now please note that it's important for you to back up your data before you actually delete your account permanently. Okay, it's important for you to back up your data so you do not actually lose all your information. We're talking about contacts, photos, and everything like that, so keep that in mind. Now next up, you just want to tap on request to delete your account, and this will initiate a request for you to delete your entire iCloud account. As you see in here, we do have, you can request to permanently delete your account anytime and for any reason. That's 100% your right. And then what happens in here, you won't be able to access App Store, you won't be able to access a lot of features and products of Apple themselves, and in the future you'll have to actually re-log in or recreate your iCloud account. So we do have a lot of bureaucracy in here, things to read, and then we do have a reason down here which you can select. For example, I have concerns or privacy of my data, or I would like to stop using my account, or you prefer not to say, or you can also go with other, for example, and you can type in here what exactly contributed for you to definitely delete your Apple ID or iCloud account. So once you're done writing or filling all that information, you want to tap on continue and you'll be good to go. Now there's another thing that I would recommend you guys to do besides simply deleting your iCloud account and besides logging out from your iCloud account. I would recommend you guys to reset your iPhone before you sell it. You want to delete all data that was in your phone and that you do not leave any sort of tracks or anything that links back to you. So you want to hop into settings real quick. You want to scroll down, tap on general, and then scroll down again all the way down here to transfer or reset iPhone. This will turn your phone into a brand new phone, so you can actually set it on Marketplace or anything like that, and no link will be sending back to you. Transfer and reset iPhone, tap on erase all content and settings down here. It's going to ask you for your password and probably the email address that you do have in here if you still have an iCloud account logged in. So you simply want to tap on continue, and this will erase everything that you've got in here. Now I'm going to show you how this looks like. For example, if you do have a much older iPhone device, I don't have an older iPhone device, but I do have a pretty much old iPad device in here. Let me quickly show it to you. For example, in here, I'm going to slide to unlock. This is how my iPad looks like because the settings page is kind of different, okay? I'm going to hop into settings real quick. Next up, I'm going to tap on iCloud real quick. And then let's first sign out from our iCloud just the way we did it on the other device. Let me quickly tap on delete, okay? And here we go. Delete from my iPad. There we go. I'm now logging out of my Apple ID account. I'm going to type in here my password. Next up, I'm going to tap on turn off real quick. And then in a few seconds, you'll be logged out in here from your iPad device. It's turning off Find My iPad in just a few seconds. You just need to be patient and you'll be good to go in no time. There we go, we're now good to go. Next up, general. As I've said, we're gonna scroll down all the way to reset in here, erase all content and settings. Next up, erase, and the erase process will start immediately in just a couple of seconds. You'll be able to see this Apple logo. Just sit back, relax tight, and wait until your iPad or iPhone or any other device that you do have gets to the hello screen after this progress bar in here is completely filled and it's done loading or processing. Once the reset process is complete, you'll be looking at this screen which says hello, hola, and hello in different languages, and then all you want to do is simply slide to the right and then simply initiate the setup process from scratch in here. You want to select your language, which is English, for example. In my case, select your location or region as well. I'll be going with the United States in here as of now, and then you need to choose a Wi-Fi network in here, connect to it to activate your brand new device, which will be sold right now to someone else. Here we go. It's gonna ask you for a couple of minutes while Apple does its thing. It's activating your device and connecting it with their databases in here. And then we just want to disable or enable all these features. Passcode, I'll go with don't add passcode. Continue. There we go. Let me quickly just follow and tap on setup as a new iPad, which is important. Next up, as of now, I'll simply tap on don't have an Apple ID. Set up later in settings, don't use, and here we go, or iPad or iPhone or your Apple device is now set up as a brand new device in here. So you can now simply agree with the terms and conditions and sell your iPad as a brand new device without any other information that links back to you. I just wanted to let you guys know how you could in fact actually erase as well all data from your device after deactivating or deleting your iCloud or Apple ID account. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts so we can discuss further in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.